Hi, my name's Henry. Today we're going on the Hoover adventure.
Yay!
Go!
Ready? Time to go on a dinosaur adventure! To the time of Stegosaurus! Alright, let's go. We're going on a day trip today, but before we depart, we're going to pump up our tires. And Henry, while we're pumping up the tires, you're going to go see. What are you going to see?
Hoover.
For the hard of hearing, Henry said Hoovers. Ready? Let's go. Go, Henry.
Come
Come on. You show me where it is. Show me where it is. Henry, get off the road. Go, just pass them around. We can see give me your hand.
One like that.
Right, go and look at the big Hoover. No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Look. Look.
What do you like about this Hoover, Henry?
I like the one here. You take his hose off. No, it doesn't come off.
You gonna Hoover that lady?
Mom, look the what?
You gonna Hoover me?
Mom, look the hose. It's broken. The hose is broken, Mom. Mom, the hose was broken on the Hoover. Yeah.
Come on, we'll go around and see the Hoovers. It's his favourite thing in the world.
Hoovers?
Yeah.
I like the George.
The door?
It's just a wee bit.
There. There's Henry there.
What do you think of that, Henry? You gonna touch that one?
The doors even. Do you want some more bread? They're stinking.
Why is that one not got a nose, Henry?
That one is the nose.
Oh, is that the wet Hoover?
The wet Hoover, not the wet vacuum.
Yeah.
So water and back.
He loves the wet Hoover, he always goes on with that.
And there's a chocolate one too.
No, charge is just a normal vacuum. So yes. Why have we two charge?
There's only one.
There's only one there. I suppose the other one's in the office just in case it's busy. We need two chores on the go.
Oh, have you got one in there as well? Alright, okay.
So you're going to be doing a lot of Hoovering then when you're older? Around the house?
We're going to, we're in the car wash and we're looking for 3 Hoovers and 1 called George.
Show me the nose, I mean this one, what the nose does. Right, we'll go now.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See you later.
Go. Oh, there's the other one. What type of Hoover's that?
Charles.
And what does the Charles do? And what was the other one over there?
Oh, the Charles over there makes that noise like this.
And what does the George make? And why have they got 2, Henry?
Because the one for that one and one for the cars, the Hoover. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Come on.